Morning, YouTubers. What's up? What we got here, Kershaw speed safe. It ain't a very big knife, but China, there's model number. It does have an edge on it. Frame lock. Not quite probably a 3.5-inch frame and maybe a 2.5 blade, kind of a Tanto style. It does have a little edge on it, by the way. It's kind of an odd knife. It won't open all the way when you flip it. It opens halfway and you got to do the rest by your hand. Might be a defect in it too. Choose. I thought I'd show it to you today. It's a handy little old knife. Not very heavy. Easy to pack. Folks, have a great weekend. Stay dry, stay warm. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.